Welcome to Corbin's Toy Chest. Today we have an exciting toy to play with today. It's a tractor engine from John Deere. It looks like we get to put it all together with tools, and yeah, I think this is going to be great. But I'm missing one thing. Corbin. Corbin! Hey, did you hear that? Corbin! Ah! Hi, Corbin.
Hi.
So we got a Christmas gift, didn't we? It looks so cool.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a tractor. Open the engine.
Yeah, we got a little tractor, didn't we? One that you actually get to put together yourself. You get to use tools. And it looks like, if we can zoom in here, this is a John Deere. Almost like a lawnmower tractor. It's green. You can see all the parts there on the box. And he gets to use all the tools. What do you want? You want to open it?
Yeah.
You sure you want to open it? You don't want to wait? You want to open it? Go for it. Let's check it out. Nice catch. Alright, Corbin did a great job of pulling all the parts out of the box. Got it organized, and I think we are ready to build. What do you think?
Good.
Good? Thumbs up? Wow, check this thing out. Cool, you got a little place for your tools. We've got a lot of work to do. Let's build this engine. So we have this, the key starter here. We saw that it takes a couple double A's. So we're going to go get some, put it in. And I think we're going to be able to start this thing up in just a little bit.
Got it!
Good job. Look at that. It went right in. How about do the other one? Does it take any bolts or screws to hold it in?
No.
Just some muscle power?
Yeah, just hold it in. Like,
You just hold it in because you pounded it?
yeah.
Righty-tighty. There you go. So we're putting the springs on. I think that's good. We hear a click. Alright, we need another bolt right there in that hole. And you've already put the rotor on.
We don't have another bolt.
You got a whole pile of bolts right there.
What do it takes? It takes. Oh, I think we have to do it that way.
That one must be done. 2 more. You'd make a good pit crew for like Lightning McQueen, huh? How is it? Stable? It's good? Oh. Alright. That's good, that's good. Look at that. Corbin's getting down there,
Papa,
putting on an exhaust pipe.
hold it so I can put the screws in there.
You want me to hold it for you?
Yes, so I can put the screws in there.
Okay. I'll hold it for you. I'm strong.
Thank you.
Alright.
Screws.
Screws.
The screws. And the screwdriver.
Okay, get up under there.
Under there.
We now have exhaust. Alright, we need a wheel. Tire number 2. Put it on. You gotta make the sounds just like cars. Alright. You're faster than an air ratchet. Go!
Make a noise.
I'm trying. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. This is right.
Woochie woochie washy type.
Right, that's right. Keep going. Alright. I think we're in business.
Yeah. Let's
Alright.
build in.
Alright guys, we gotta take a quick break, don't we, Corbin? We gotta go play soccer. Thanks to your friends, Ruby and Rory.
Yeah, but put this one first.
Yeah, we're gonna put that, you know what that is? It's your oil dipstick. That way you can check and make sure you have enough oil in there. Right. Alright, let's go play soccer and we'll come right back and finish this up for everybody. Yeah. Yay! Hey guys, as promised, we just came back from an awesome soccer practice. Who do we have to thank for soccer today?
Rory.
Rory, she your friend?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, friend from preschool. Yeah, she invited us out, so we had a lot of fun. So now it's back to the grind. Let's build an engine.
Yeah.
Whoa! Yeah, see, Corbin knows what he's doing. He's helped me with my Jeep many times, huh? He's a little grease monkey. Hey, Corbin. What are you working on? The engine? On what kind of vehicle is this? John Deere! John Deere Tractor. Are you a farmer? No, you're just a mechanic. You're a tractor fixer? I think that's what's called a mechanic, but you could be a tractor fixer. Or a grease monkey. Or just a handyman that works on cars and trucks. Silly. So it looks like Corbin's doing sticker time, everybody. Sticker time, sticker time. Wow, that was actually a really good job. Just like that? Wow. You need to be working on my Jeep every day. It would be running like a champ if you would work on it like that. You got it working? Actually, it looks pretty good. Meet me. I bet we need to put batteries in that too. No! So many batteries. We are almost done. We've only got a few parts left. Oh, I don't think force works on this one. I think you just need a bolt up there. It's that bolt. We gotta take that bolt back off. Put it back on. Corbin! It's all put together! It's almost firing up. Try to turn the key. Get that thing going. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Corbin, how's the oil? Did you put any in? Maybe that's why it's not starting. Did we forget to put the oil in? Oh, Corbin forgot the oil. Good job. You filled it to the top? Okay, check it. Make sure you didn't overfill.
It can't start.
We'll have to go back over it inch by inch, find out what happened. Why this won't start. I don't think it's our fault. Man, we are terrible mechanics. I think we need to go to school and learn how to do it properly. But you know what? This is a great place to learn. I had a lot of fun. Do you have a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Alright. What? What's wrong with your socks? Did you get oil on your socks?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna have to do so much laundry with all the oil all over this carpet and your clothes.
No.
No. Almost, almost. Well, we're just gonna push it anyway. Try it. Oh, no! We better call John Deere. I think we're gonna need professional help. We keep crashing this thing. I hope we bought insurance.
Crash!
What? Not again!
Crash!
I hope this thing's durable. We're gonna find out in like 2 seconds. Sounds like it. Hey, what's he doing?
Pick this up, pistol!
No, don't! Oh my goodness. Battle cry! Oh, no. This John Deere is gonna get beat up. But you know what? We have tools right in front so we can fix this anytime we want. Alright, high five, dude. Oh, that was on a high five. Give me a good high five. Wait, oh, down low? Oh, too slow.
Too slow!
What?
Too slow!
What?
Too slow! Too slow!
I can't. I can't. I can't. You love it? Yeah. This is a great present. And it was a lot of fun to put together. And we hope you enjoyed it. Alright, goodbye, everybody. Ah! Hey, once again, say love you, Grandpa Cerdas. Thank you.
Love you,